I'm out of town for a little bit, but while I'm away, I pre-recorded some videos for you all. So today, we're going to make some little miniature candles. So recently I've made a few small things, but I haven't made any candles. So I think it's time to tackle that. And today we're going to be using some of these. These are little miniature perler beads, also known as iron beads. And we're going to be using them in conjunction with some toothpicks. Now, all I'm going to really do is take this and wedge it onto the end of the toothpick. And as you can see, that already looks kind of like a little miniature candle with a little bit coming off for a flame. Now, this is in place just by tension, so we're going to have to glue it into position. So now, using a pair of tweezers just to hopefully keep the glue from getting all over my fingers, I'm just going to dip the end into the tacky glue and then fit it onto the end of the toothpick, give it a little bit of a twist, and there we go. And once this dries, we can carefully cut it, leaving just a little bit of room at the end. And the reason for that is so that we can use the end of the toothpick to kind of push it into something. Now, I did make a few of these off camera, so let me clear my workspace real quick. And here we have a few of them that have been pre-made and pre-cut. So let's go ahead and put one of these into, let's go with one of these little beads. Now these are little decorative beads that I found at Michael's. They are pre-decorated. Let's see if I can get this close enough for you to easily see. There we go. So they're decorated, they've got these neat little designs on them. And they come in a couple of different varieties. These ones are colored. They also have them that are just plain silver. And then they have them in a couple of different types of material. So here you see there's a couple of brass and a copper. There's also one that is kind of a silver-ish. And these make great little candle holders. You can also kind of use them as like little miniature lamps, things like that. So what I'm going to do is, using my utility knife, there we go, back into focus, I'm going to very carefully clip the end so that there's only just a little bit. There we go. So that there's only just a little bit poking out the end of the bead. And then this should fit nice and snug into there. Now again, we're going to glue this into position. So I'm going to use tacky glue. If you want it to glue faster, you can use super glue. But I'm going to just dip the end and then fit it in, just like so. And there we have it, a nice, simple little candle in a nice decorative candle holder. Now, you can pre-make a bunch of these and just kind of have them on hand for little decorations. I know I'm going to make a bunch of them and just have them as little quick instantaneous things for like tables and decorations and things like that. I've made up a couple of different ones here, and then I took a flat little a disc bead here, and then put 2 of them on, one tall and one short, to kind of make it look like the candle is melted a little bit. And then using a couple of other beads, I put together a little mini table candle holder. Now, we have our candles, we have our candle holders. It's time to add a little something to make it a little more noticeable as a candle. Set this one aside because it needs to dry. And what we're going to use is just the smallest little dab of orange paint. So what I'm going to do is take the orange paint and just brush it on to the end of the toothpick to give it the appearance as though it's a little lit candle flame. And there you have it. Some quick, simple, easy candles ready for any decorating that you want to use them for in a whole lot of different settings. That's kind of going to be it for today. I'm hoping to be back in town to get back to regular recording soon. And once I'm back, we'll finish up the Wizard's Tower. So thank you everyone for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe for future content, comment down in the comments section, and we will see everyone next episode.